Mega love shout out everyone. So this is me, Mama Shawie vlog, and today we're going to tackle on how to check in an automated machine in your international flight. So when using an automated check-in machine in for me from Singapore for my flight to Australia, here's what you typically need to do. First is to approach the machine. So look for the airline branded self-service kiosks at the departure terminal. They are usually clearly marked and easy to spot. So number two is select language. So the machine will prompt you to select your preferred language. Choose the language you're comfortable with. Number three, enter details. So here you will be asked to enter your booking reference or scan your passport. Then the machine will retrieve your flight details. Number four, verify details. So confirm that the details displayed on the screen are correct, including your flight number, destination, so for me, Australia, and personal information. For number five, check luggage. So if you have luggage to check in, the machine will ask you how many bags you're checking in. It may print luggage tags which you need to attach for your bags. So number six, print boarding pass. So once everything is confirmed, the machine will print your boarding pass. So keep this boarding pass safe as you're needing it to board your flight. Number seven, drop off luggage. So if you checked luggage, proceed to the baggage drop off counter where your bags will be weighed and sent to the plane. Number eight, proceed to security. So after completing the check in process, head to the security screening area. You'll need your boarding pass and passport. Number nine, immigration clearance. So after security, go through immigration. So scan your passport at the automated gates if you're eligible, or proceed to a counter. So number 10, find your gate. So check the information or check the flight information display screens for your gate number and then proceed there. Then enjoy your flight, guys. So this is me, Ma'am Shawie Vlog. Thank you and mabuhay.